Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This journal was more or less made and then I put it to one side a good few weeks ago because something else popped into my mind and I carried on with that. So anyway, I thought I'd come back and finish this, and I had loads of little bits left over from the previous journals that I was making. You know, sometimes you make more than what you actually need for the journal, so I've popped some of these in, just things that I had laying around. So it's kind of shabby, it's vintagey, and it's eclectic. Okay. So this was a wallpaper, which is really pretty, and then I've put this lace on here, and then these tags I've made, actually I think I might have made some of these today, but I had all the paper printed out. These were all printed out. We've got a little label here, we've got this little, oh, I just literally put that on with some Fabri-Tac. So we've got some bling here, some Edith Holden there. The journal measures 8 by 4 3/4, one signature, 56 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop, and it has a reduced price, got a discount on it as well. So we've got eyelets and string as a closure. Got some lace on the edges of the pages, and we shall just go inside. So the wallpaper I covered with white paper, I think. Like I said, I made this, the actual journal itself was made ages ago. Right, this is from the Journal Bolt, one of our Shabby Vintage collections. Here is this is a freebie over in my coffee shop. There's like a little mini kit, not as in mini that it's got about 5 pages, that's what I mean. It's not like got 20 pages to it. It's a little freebie over on my coffee shop, so go check that out. You'll find the link below. This is also a freebie over on my coffee shop, and these are ARTYmaze from A Mother's Love photos that she has. And then we've got some labels here, and they are from the Old Design Shop. This is from ARTYmaze, from a Builder Cluster Tag Kit 2. This is ARTYmaze, and it's from her coloured vintage journal cards, I think it's called. Can't be 100% sure on that. Then this is from the old, no it's not, this is from Bohemian Crafting. Got a little tab label there. This is from, it's upside down, but this is from one of ARTYmaze's kits. Butterfly Blue, I think, maybe, can't remember. One of her butterfly kits. It could be a freebie, I don't know. It was just already printed out and in my big bundle of stash. This is from one of my kits. This is actually the, I don't know what kit this is from, a wallpaper kit possibly. That's in my shop, not my coffee site. So if you're looking for that, that's that. I will try and find it and link it below. Then here we've got some little vintage girl here, little pocket. The paper is from the Journal Bolt. Made these the other day, showed them on a video, I think it was on a short video here on YouTube. Birdies, I can't remember where I got the birdies from. This is ARTYmaze, that is a freebie. This is from TaylorMade Journals, one of our ledger kits. This is one of my freebie papers. I just made that into a pocket. We have this from Dreams Etc, and that is ARTYmaze. That is ARTYmaze, and this is either Cameo Shop or Christie Art Designs, I believe. I can't remember, I've had them years. And I think I mentioned in a video the other day that I looked, someone had asked me about them, and I said, like obviously one of them two shops. But Cameo Shop is not selling at the moment, so I don't know why that is. Some lace trim here. There's some journal pages. This is from the Journal Bolt. Here we've got a belly band. And this is a freebie paper from ARTYmaze. You can find that on our coffee shop. This background piece is from the Journal Bolt, and this is ARTYmaze from A Mother's Love. And then we've just got like a little notebook here for you to journal in. So that's what I've done with that. And then we've got some French ephemera here from ARTYmaze. And the paper that I made the belly band from is the Journal Bolt. This circle is my collage bundle. bundle bumper kit. I think that's what it's called. Butterfly from ARTYmaze, and the label there is from the old design shop, so that goes in there. ARTYmaze tag, Bohemian Crafting, that's a freebie from my coffee shop. Here we've got some French ephemera from the old design shop, and that's just paper clipped on, and then a tag here from ARTYmaze. This is from my kit or over on my shop, but like I said, I'll link that below if anyone's interested. Little girly here, and a freebie tag, get that on my coffee shop. Tags that I made the other day, I made loads of them. Tailor-made journals, some lacy trim, centre of the signature with papers to write on. That's some ledger there from Tailor-made journals. A tag here, some French ephemera, that's from the old design shop. Then that flips out, all them nice florals on there, then that goes in there, and we just paper clip that like so. This is ARTYmaze, and that's another flip out there, and this is some French ephemera from ARTYmaze as well, and that flips out like so. And I'll just put the paper clip there. The other side of the tag, got another belly band here, and another one of these using the freebie paper from ARTYmaze with some coffee dyed papers inside there. And then this is ARTYmaze, and that is from the journal boat, and another little circle embellishment with a butterfly from ARTYmaze. Actually, I think that might be tag fabrication, and it could be either ARTYmaze's or Tracie Fox's, I cannot remember. The label is the old design shop. I've got glue stuck to my fingers, it's annoying me. Lacy trim, coffee dyed papers, big deep pocket here. This is freebie paper over, I think it's called free collage or something. I don't even know the names of my own stuff. Little tag, made them the other day, love them, so quick and easy to make. A freebie from ARTYmaze. Don't know what month that was from, because ARTYmaze at the beginning of each month she gives like a freebie, and then I think she does some during the month as well, but I think at the beginning of each month you normally get like 2, 3, maybe sometimes 5 pages of freebies. So that again is from one of my kits. That is ARTYmaze's kit. This is ARTYmaze, and that is a freebie. Is it a freebie? Yeah, I love them. I really do like them. Then here we've got a tag from ARTYmaze. This flips right out like so. And then this is, I think that's ARTYmaze as well. Got so much ephemera type kits now, which I love because they are great to fill up your journal with. Little bit of tag there, and then here we've got a little corner tuck. We have another one of those tags, ARTYmaze, and that is a freebie from my coffee shop. Yeah, all these lovely like ephemera and ledger kits and things like that, they're great for making the journals, they're great for filling in the journals, and that is the back. So that is the journal. If I've missed anything, if you want to know anything, you can ask. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. Excuse me, got a little tickle then. Yeah, so any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.